The right joins will return all the data from table 2 and they'll only retrieve matching data from table 1. So they're the opposite of left joins basically. And you can see here I have the same select statement from the last lecture. So the left join where customers is table 1 and orders is table 2. So let's run this again. And you can see it returns order IDs from 2 to 11. So let's run the same select statement, but let's change the left join to a right join. So it's the same select statement, but now it's going to retrieve all the data from table 2, so the orders, and only the matching data from table 1, which is customers. So let's run that now. So you can see that the first row of data is now order ID 1. And that's because it's now retrieving all the rows from the orders table and only matching data from the customers table. So let's switch the tables around again. So let's make customers table 2 and orders table 1. So to do that, we're going to say from orders O, right join customers C, and then again in the on we need to change this around, so we need to say O dot customer ID is equal to C dot ID, and we'll leave the order and the limit the same. And you can see now that we have order IDs from 2 to 11. So this is equivalent to the first left join statement we ran in this video. So you can see that right joins and left joins are the same but opposite. So switching the tables round from table 1 to table 2 and table 2 to table 1 is exactly the same as switching left join to right join. So again, just make sure you know which one's table 1 and which one's table 2 when you're using right joins. So that sums it up for left joins and right joins. Again, the most common join you'll use is the inner join, but just in case you need to use left and right joins, now you know how to do it. And just to complete this video, let's run this update statement. So update the orders again and set customer ID equal to 1 where ID is equal to 1. And then select star from orders to make sure that's happened. And now we have the same data we had before we were dealing with left and right joins.